Hi, Bestie. Let's take a few minutes together. This is your time to move, to breathe, and to come back to yourself. Start by standing tall, feet hip-width apart. Let your arms relax by your sides. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Gently close your eyes if it feels good. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's begin. Inhale, raise both arms up toward the sky, interlace your fingers, and stretch up. Now gently lean to the right. Feel the stretch along your left side. Keep breathing. We'll start with 2 gentle breaths to settle into our space. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lean to the left. Softly stretch the right side of your body. Let's take 2 deep breaths together to ground ourselves. Inhale, come back to center, and slowly bring your arms down. Now, hinge at your hips and slowly fold forward. Let your arms dangle. Maybe bend your knees a little. Let your head be heavy. Nod yes. Shake your head no. Just let go. Take a moment for 3 slow breaths in and out just to arrive. Place your hands on the ground. Step your right foot back and lower your right knee down. You're now in a gentle low lunge. Left knee is bent, hands can rest on your left thigh. Feel the stretch in your right hip. Keep your chest open. Let's take 2 mindful breaths to connect with this moment. Inhale, reach both arms up if you'd like. Exhale, sink a little deeper. More 2 breaths. Now, bring both hands down, step your right foot forward, and step your left foot back. Lower your left knee down. Find your balance, hands on your right thigh, chest open. Let's take 2 breaths. Inhale, arms can rise overhead if that feels right. Exhale, soften your jaw, your eyes, your shoulders. From here, bring both knees down to the mat, sit your hips back onto your heels, stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead down to the ground. This is your child's pose. Breathe deeply here. Now 3 slow breaths. Slowly walk your hands back toward your body. Come to a comfortable seated position, cross-legged or however feels best. Let your hands rest on your knees, eyes closed, and take one more deep breath in. Hold it, and gently exhale. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. No matter how small the moment, it matters. You matter. I'm proud of you, and I'll be here again whenever you need a pause. See you next time, bestie.
Namaste.